Afternoon, children. Today we are going to learn something new. You know, I went to the garden and what happened to me? I fell down. What came out of here? Blood came out. What happens to you when you fall down? You also get blood? Does blood come out? Yeah, but your blood and my blood is not same. It's red in color. All different type of bloods are red in color, but they are not the same. They have different particles in their blood group, which makes it different. When you fall down and you have an A blood group, it is A type of a blood group. That means you have an A type of an antigen. A B has a B type of an antigen. But you know what AB has? AB has A also and B also. So that's why it's called an AB. And O, poor thing, has no antigen. Antigen is a different kind of a protein that is present in your blood, and that makes the difference. And O has no antigen, and hence it is O blood group or zero blood group. So it has no particles. Now you know A cannot give to B or B cannot give to A, because this particle will think, oh, what is this? This is not from my blood, and it will start fighting, and that will cause more problems in your body. Similarly, if B tries to give it to A, it will not accept it. It is also going to think this is an alien. This is not a part of my body. But you know what? A can give to B, and B can also A can give to AB, and B can also give it to AB. But they cannot accept from AB because they have the different antigens. While O has no antigen, so it can give blood to all three blood groups. Hence, AB is called a universal recipient. It can receive from everyone. It can receive from A, it can receive from B, it can receive from O. And O is called a universal donor. What does that mean? He can give it to all three of them, A, B and AB. So now we come here. See, you can see the different kind of antigen. One has this kind of a antibody, and this one has another kind of an antibody in the blood group. So this is type A and it has an A antigen. Well, this is type B and it has a B antigen. Now can we see AB? AB has both the antigens, A and B. While we see in O, they have zero antigen or no antigen in their body. Hence it is called O type blood group.